Okay, once you get your ReviewGro, password in the email after activation, you'll be sent a link to the login page. So you'll simply enter your password and click on lock. And then this is the ReviewGro setup page. Users simply enter a few business details to generate their review request kit. So you'll enter your business name, the industry you're in. We have a few down here you can select, or just professional services or general work too if you don't see your specific industry. And then the tone is you can select professional, friendly, short, and direct. And then you just simply paste your Google review link, which you will get from your Google business profile. And after that, everything submits. ReviewGro will create a complete toolkit to help you ask for more reviews consistently. That includes a QR code, printable business cards and counter cards, staff scripts, plus email and SMS templates. So it's a simple system built for local businesses and agencies that want an easier way to generate more Google reviews without any awkward ask.